What's up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. And today I have a cleaning and declutter video for you guys. So I did do a poll here on YouTube in the community tab and asked you guys some areas that you guys want to see me declutter and organize. And you guys actually voted for the master bedroom and closet. After that, I realized I had to split them up into two because honestly, my closet is enough for one video. It is just a lot of work and it's gonna take a little while. So I went ahead and just focused on the room and just focusing on the drawers and getting the room clean and decluttering my drawers. And let me tell you, these drawers had so much junk in them and they needed to be organized and decluttered. So there's enough content for you guys to get your motivation for organizing. And then I'll go ahead and do the clothing drawers and the master closet soon. So stay tuned for that. So I went ahead and I started using these pink pillows that I usually have in my office, and that is because I want to change this color scheme in my room, and I don't feel like going out and buying some new pillows right now, but I am going to do that because I want to kind of have more of a spring or light pastel type colors mixed in our bedroom. Basically just went ahead and kind of repurposed my decorations, I guess you could say. So right now I'm going to go ahead and dust our ladder shelf, and I went ahead and opened the window just to kind of get some fresh air in the room and get that dust out. And I don't know about you guys, but I absolutely love books. Like, I still listen to Audible and I still read hardcover books. I do both. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys some of my favorite books right here. So the first one I like is Vlog Like a Boss. That is a really good book if you are starting out vlogging. The Simple Household Wisdom. This is something I got from Target, and it has a lot of like little DIY home hacks or household hacks. And I absolutely love this Bible, you guys. And I do have this in my Amazon favorites if you guys are looking for a Bible. And then this devotional, Jesus is Calling, is a really, really good daily devotional. And then last but not least is The Life-Changing Magic of Tidying Up by Con Murray. This is a really good book. I got this like 3 years ago, and I just have been utilizing like her tips on how to organize and declutter.
Fast isn't always the best. Sometimes your turns makes me dizzy, but with you I don't need the contest. Like nobody is judging while we're dancing till we get lost. We're dancing till we get lost. We're dancing till we get lost.
So I'm going to go ahead and clean the windowsill area. It had a really thick amount of dust that needed to be wiped down. So I always like to diffuse my essential oils. I do this on a daily. I have a diffuser downstairs and upstairs that I use. And I like to diffuse stuff like orange and lavender. Lavender we diffuse every night. It helps relax us, get us ready for bed. And I actually feel like if the diffuser is going while I'm sleeping, that I actually sleep better the nights that the lavender is going. If you guys are into essential oils or you're looking to try them out, I do have a link down below to Simply Earth where I go through them, and they always provide some kind of discount or some kind of deal, and I have all that information down below if you wanted to check them out and see what they're offering.
It's so much harder now to reach you. Your heart is floating in the sky. We known each other for so long. We know our love like an old song. Sing along one more time. It's so much harder now to please you.
So now I'm going to go ahead and show you the inside of these drawers. They are embarrassing. So we're gonna go ahead and go through the drawers and figure out what needs to stay and what needs to go and what needs to be thrown away. So I went ahead and tried to clean the inside of this drawer, and I sprayed it with the grapefruit, and it left these little like wet spots. So I didn't do that for the rest of the drawers. I just kind of wiped them out with my damp rag. So I did purchase these organizers from the Dollar Tree. I always get organizers from the Dollar Tree for all over my house, and they work really good. And stay tuned to the end because I am going to be showing you guys exactly what they look inside and how clean everything turned out to be. So I went ahead and got one of these baskets from our closet, and that is where I'm going to put all of my hubby's camera stuff. This is all of his like batteries and things that he uses, so I went ahead and stored them in there. So now my drawers are all done. I just kept the things that I need by my bedside, like headphones and my lamp so I can read and things like that. And then down below are things that I need for school. So all of those important things I kept in that drawer that I can kind of take out and adjust for the next week. here is the comment of the day. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys got a lot of motivation, and I love you guys so much, and I cannot wait to see you in my next video. Make sure you comment down below and say hi. Bye, guys.